Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back, and thank you so much for being here. Of course, this morning we're going to be looking at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, as well as the morning's biggest gainers and losers. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you subscribe to the channel as well. We're getting close to that 25,000 subscriber mark, which will involve our TipRanks giveaway. So make sure you leave a comment down below too to be entered. Now, this is my last day visiting up here in Canada, so I will be headed home tomorrow. Richard Allen will be covering my pre-market update since I'll be flying quite early, so make sure that you stop by and say hello. Okay, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are modestly in the green this morning, with the Dow futures up 0.03%, S&P 500 futures up 0.08%, while the Nasdaq futures are up 0.12%. This follows Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell stating on Friday that while the bank could begin to reduce their monthly bond purchases this year, it would be in no hurry to hike rates. Shares of payment network AFRM are soaring this morning after it was announced that they'd be partnering up with e-commerce giant Amazon to offer shoppers a new payment option. As part of the new strategic partnership, the two have started testing a friendly payment solution at checkout for selected customers. The flexible payment solution will allow Amazon customers to split purchases of $50 or more into simple monthly payments. Customers using the payment option will be shown the total cost and will not pay more than they agree at checkout. Additionally, no late or hidden fees will be levied as part of the new payment option. With their stock up over 40% in the pre-market, it's currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 12.5%, with the most recent price target coming in with still a 62% upside potential. Phunware Incorporated announced the launch of their own cryptocurrency token, PHUN. With the launch of PHUN, the company aims to empower customers by enabling them to take control of and be fairly compensated for their data. Notably, PHUN will be managed by PHUN Wallet and offered with PHUN Token to foster a dual token economy, which is subject to regulatory exemptions. With just 2 analyst ratings, their stock does come in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of 79%. EV charging company BLNK Charging announced the recent deployment of 27 new charging stations across Traverse City in Michigan. This is in collaboration with Traverse City Light and Power, a community-focused municipal utility. The partnership is in line with the Traverse City Light and Power's efforts to reduce the city's carbon footprint. Further, the program is funded in part by a grant from the Michigan Department of Environment, Great Lakes, and Energy. The BLNK Charging stock is currently rated a hold with an average upside of 11.5%. Gambling.com announced that it has received a temporary supplier's license from the Arizona Department of Gaming to provide marketing services for licensed operators in the state. Following this, Gambling.com launched its free-to-use website, BetArizona.com, allowing Arizonan customers to compare legal online sports betting services. Sports betting fans can begin pre-registering for online sportsbooks through the newly launched website. Gambling.com is a multi-award-winning performance marketing company and a provider of digital marketing services in the online gambling industry. They had robust first quarter results and their first results as a publicly traded company, causing their shares to surge over 60% last week. They do have 3 buy ratings, but following the big gains last week, their current price target would actually be a downside. Now let's take a look at some notable earnings reports. This morning in the pre-market, we're expecting to hear from Li Auto and Cloudera, and in the after hours, we'll be hearing from Zoom Video Communications and StoneCo. Recently, we heard from Big Lots, whose second quarter results fell short of analyst expectations. This was due to the company experiencing the full force of supply chain and freight headwinds. Their net sales fell over 11% year over year to $1.46 billion. The decline was primarily driven by a 13% decrease in comparable sales. Big Lots recorded quarterly net income of $37.71 million compared to $451 million delivered in the same quarter last year. Their diluted earnings per share for Q2 was $1.09, below analyst estimates of $1.13, and a significant drop from $11.29 reported in the same quarter last year. Analysts currently rate their stock a hold with an average upside of 18.5%. Shares of HIBB Sports also took a hit despite the company coming in with better than expected Q2 results. The company reported earnings of $2.86 per share, which was up over 20% year over year and higher than the street's estimates of $1.42. Their net sales declined about 5% to $419 million, but significantly outpaced analyst estimates of $320 million. Also, their comparable sales fell 6.4% year over year due to a fall in both brick and mortar and e-commerce sales. Their stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 17%. So let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by AFRM, who we mentioned earlier are soaring after the news of their deal with Amazon. Under the ticker AFRM, they're currently up 40.5%. Followed by Global Star under GSAT, they're up nearly 35%, and Marqeta under the ticker MQ up over 12%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by the Astra Space stock. Under the ticker ASTR, they're down 24%, followed by Telecom Argentina under TEO down over 10%, and NetEase under NTES down 8.5%. So that'll be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Like I said, I will be in the air tomorrow, so Richard Allen will be here covering the Tuesday pre-market morning update for you, so make sure to stop by. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you back here next time.